Namaskar, good afternoon. You're watching Newsroom 365 and I'm Swati Joshi. I and my colleague Athar Khan are getting you more exclusive details. This is the latest news break which will give you more insight into the Sushant Singh Rajput investigation. Over to you, Athar.
Yes, we have another explosive twist to the drugs angle in the case. Remember, Times Now Super Scoop, we've been running this for a while now. We have the call data records of Riya Chakravarti here on the big screen right now, and we will exactly tell you what to look for here. These are the 4 calls that we are concentrating on right now. The first one, of course, is on the 14th of June 2020. This is going out from Riya Chakravarti's mobile phone to her talent manager. Another call, same date, 14 June 2020. This is at 2:30 p.m. and this is, of course, again going out from Riya Chakravarti's phone as well. This is the next one that we're concentrating on right here, is the 15th of June, just the day after Sushant Singh Rajput was found dead in his flat in Mumbai. 15 June 2020, it's in the morning, 8:48 a.m. Also going out from Riya Chakravarti's phone. Again, if you see, there are 3 more calls that day. On the 15th, I beg your pardon, there are 4 on the 15th, 2 on the 14th. This one again going on after 8 o'clock in the morning, 1 o'clock, 1:50, near about 2 p.m. in the afternoon, again going out from Riya Chakravarti's phone again. If you look at this one, the last one, same date, 15 June 2020, it is again around the same time, 1:50, and this one lasts considerably longer, 164 seconds here as well. Again, I'll just recap for you if you're just joining in. On the 14th, there were 2 calls from Riya Chakravarti's phone to her talent manager, both going out from her phone, both at the same time, 2:30 in the afternoon. If you could go to the next one very quickly, there it is, 15th June, 4 calls from Riya Chakravarti's phone, 2 in the morning, 2 in the afternoon. Pranesh comes back with more details on the big screen. Pranesh.
Right, these are the call logs exclusively accessed once again by Times Now. The drug disclosure last night on the News Hour, Athar, startled everyone, and we have dug deep to find out the collusion, the nexus between these 2 individuals, Riya and Jaya. Look at the date here, on the 14th of June, the day Sushant's body was discovered by his flatmates. Riya and Jaya spoke to each other. There are 2 calls, one at 2:31 in the afternoon and then the second one shortly after. On the 15th, the next day, also the day when Riya went to the morgue, the Cooper Hospital morgue, there are 5 calls, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And on the 12th also, 2 days before Sushant Singh Rajput was found dead, Riya Chakravarti was talking to Jaya Saha. The call lasted for 40 minutes. The time of the call, Athar, is 12:54 in the afternoon. Now the question is, these 2 individuals, Riya Chakravarti and Jaya Saha, feature in the chats that Riya had deleted,
right,
which have now been recovered from Riya's phone by the ED. The NCB is probing the Narcotics Control Bureau. The CBI is also investigating the leads. The question is, what were they discussing? Were they discussing that we should now delete the chats? Were they discussing other aspects of evidence destruction? We don't know, but these are questions which will have to be asked, and we are asking them here on Times Now. Swati and Athar.
Absolutely, and Jaya has also been summoned by the ED post our news break. We have our reporters joining us, Mohit Bhatt, Arunil Tamal, and our executive editor Vivek Narayan as well. Let's go across to him for a quick recap of those chats between Jaya and Riya, where Jaya tells Riya how to use a particular substance, suspicious. She says use 4 drops in tea, coffee or water, give it to him, wait for 30 to 40 minutes for it to kick in.
Well, these are things which the Mumbai police should have looked into. These are deleted WhatsApp messages which Times Now investigating team has managed to dig out. If we can get it, why is it that the Mumbai police was so reluctant, so shy? Were they too close to the sources of B-Town, to the big industrialists, to the big Bollywood actors / politicians, their children who were perhaps part of this larger group? Well, was it too hot for them to handle? It's for the Bombay police to reply to that. Meanwhile, Meanwhile, these are things that the CBI will have to look into. Was it just a case of a few people into substance abuse, or was it a pre-planned case of a young man, a budding artist, an exceptionally healthy individual being led into his own death, being forced into his own death like a caged animal? He was being injected and given these chemicals. Well, it's for the Central Bureau of Investigations to look into. But meanwhile, I can tell you, Swati, that it's quite clear that the Times Now sting has made not just a ripple but a wave across Maharashtra, across country. Questions are being asked on why there was a shroud of secrecy over the entire case, Swati.
Right, stay with us, please. We also have our reporters on the ground in Mumbai, Tamal, Arunil, as well as my other colleagues, Priyank Tripathi, also joining us. Tamal, coming to you first. Now, this, as Vivek said, has not only created ripples, tremors can be felt in certain circles. Highly suspicious to start with, but then those chats, they look like could be a smoking gun. Why did the Mumbai police ignore that?
Well, that's right, and the reason why it becomes extremely significant at this juncture to understand as whether there had been at all any conspiracy which involved drugs that possibly had in a way influenced the death of Sushant Singh Rajput. We cannot really confirm the nature of the death at this point, but the way the WhatsApp chats have now been accessed by us, it clearly suggests or indicate that Rhea Chakraborty had a lot of access in Sushant Singh Rajput's life and choices and of course lifestyle to have recommended a certain dosage of drugs. What kind of drugs we cannot really confirm, but to have recommended a certain kind of dosage of drugs on Sushant Singh Rajput, for him to have an elixir kind of a feeling, it's something that the Enforcement Directorate would definitely want to explore more as whether they were prescribed drugs or banned drugs.
Absolutely.
If banned drugs, then Rhea Chakraborty will be made answerable as whether she had access to these drugs
Absolutely.
through some
I
drug
quickly
laws.
also want to
Is there
bring in
a
Priyank now. Priyank, in a criminal investigation, you cannot ignore these angles. But the Mumbai police from day one was only focusing on the suicide theory.
Yes, certainly, Swati, the Mumbai police has always claimed that they are well equipped to probe any other aspect. They should have taken the dumb data, and if these kind of details were not coming out from Rhea Chakraborty's chat detail, there would have been several individuals who have been questioned by the Mumbai police. So whether all those 58 individuals who had deposed before the Mumbai police gave the dumb data to Mumbai police or not, because if they were probing the nepotism angle, so whether the statement of all these individuals was enough, that is a big question. Even if they would have taken the CDR or the dumb data analysis of Swati of all those individuals, it was pretty much sure that any of these chat would have led to this kind of disclosure of the
drug. Stay on with us. I want to go back to Pranesh for a bit. I believe we're getting more voices, Pranesh, but please go ahead.
Athar, the chats are important because on June 14th, and we've told this to our viewers already, that Rhea Chakraborty made no effort to reach out to the flatmates of Sushant Singh Rajput. Now, if Rhea Chakraborty, and she has claimed that she was Sushant's girlfriend, also went public by demanding a CBI probe, if all that was correct, and when you find out that Sushant is no more, would you not even try to reach out to the other flatmates to find out what happened? No such calls from Rhea to all the four members, Ritesh Sawant, Siddharth Pitani, Neeraj and the other guy. But on 14th, around 2:30, because the news broke around 1:30 in the afternoon, we were the first to confirm that also, Athar. Rhea dialed Jaya Saha. See the time here, the date. This is 14th June. This is 2:31 in the afternoon. Another call, and these are, if you see the duration of the call, this is 10 seconds. What was it? This one, this is 16 second, Athar. What was this about? This is also on the 14th. This is Rhea's number. We've masked half of it. This is Jaya. What were they discussing? And why did the Mumbai police miss all of this? Why has it taken them times now to bring out all these things, and every day we are bringing out more facts and more lights in this case. So these questions will have to be asked, and the only people who can answer are these four, and the chorus is now growing to arrest all these people involved in the alleged drug cartel.
Certainly, questioning is seems to be the order of the day, at least for Riya Chakravarti and even this individual Jaya Saha. If they're connected in whatsoever way, the CBI needs to get cracking and get these people there for questioning. Our colleague Swati, I believe, is still standing by in Mumbai.
Right, and let's go across to Arunil. This entire angle, the drug angle which is emerging now, which we broke first here on Times Now, is only getting bigger, Arunil, with the call logs that we have access. So Riya Chakrabarti was staying in touch with Jaya Saha, her talent manager, but she was not in touch with the individuals who were in the house where Sushant's body was found.
Well, the big question, Swati, here is why couldn't Mumbai police look at all these angles? Why on the next day itself the Maharashtra Home Minister openly declared that it was a case of suicide, when Times Now can uncover all this? And in fact, Jaya is the same person who had messaged on WhatsApp to Riya Chakrabarti about putting those drugs in tea, and after some time you can see the results. It was clearly mentioned, and after the death of actor Sushant Singh Rajput as well, Riya Chakrabarti not getting in touch with any of the members, the four members who were there in the house, but constantly being in touch with Jaya. It raises major suspicion, and this mega Times Now expose is creating waves in the state of Maharashtra as well. Several BJP leaders have asked for a basically discussion in the Maharashtra Assembly as well on this drug cartel.
Highlight what Arunil is saying. Allow me to come in here. This is the letter that Arunil is talking about, written to the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Uddhav Thackeray. Subject line says disclosure on the drug cartel. This is that letter, and let me highlight what this says. 26th August. As you are aware, there is a widespread and rampant discussion going on pertaining to the drugs and Bollywood industry. I urge and request you for a thorough probe and investigation on the drugs nexus prevailing in the Bollywood industry. The entire state considers the Bollywood industry as icons and looks up to them for inspiration. There is a long-lasting effect of the news which the youth watch on TV and read on social media platforms. In view of the same, I humbly request your good self to initiate a discussion in the assembly in the current session. And this is only one letter. There are other voices also who are demanding a discussion on this issue. The news break by Times Now is echoing. India wants to know more about it, and the political circles in Maharashtra, it is abuzz. Many people now want the Aghadi government to come clean, whether or not there are big names involved. Was this the reason that the Mumbai police buried the case?
Yes, those questions will have to be answered by the Home Minister of Maharashtra, who at this point in time has evaded our questions twice. He was confronted, he has no answers.
Oh, he was the one who was in an extreme hurry to label this a natural or a suicide death. Let's just go back to what Pranesh was showing us on that particular screen. We'll get it up here on the big screen. This is what we're talking about right now. We've masked the numbers to, of course, make sure that we don't give it out to anybody. This is the call that we've been highlighting on the 14th of June 2020. This is the first one on the 14th. 14:31, that means 2:30 p.m. around that time. 10 seconds going out from Riya's phone. That's the first one. The second one, immediately after, same number here, to Jaya's number, 14 June, same day, 2:30 p.m. The second one lasts for 16 seconds, also going out from Riya Chakravarti's phone. Now then, coming to the 15th of June, immediately the day after Sushant Singh Rajput was found dead. Those two numbers, same, Riya's number, then Jaya's number. 15th is the date, one day after Sushant died. This is in the morning, 8:04 a.m. This one lasts for 229 seconds, considerably longer than the one previous day. Again, same day, very quickly after the same call. Look at this, 87 seconds, considerably longer than the first three calls, again going out from Riya Chakravarti's phone as well. This is on the same day, 15th. Remember, there are 4 calls on the 15th. 2 in the morning, 2 in the afternoon. This is the afternoon one. Same 2 numbers, 15 June 2020. 1:50 p.m. in the afternoon, 28 seconds. So again, the call duration drops, going out from Riya Chakravarti's phone to Jaya's phone. Same day, again, very same time, but then again, 164 seconds, the time duration goes up, increases considerably. Then we have one on the 15th. Again, this is the last call. 2:47 in the afternoon, 63 seconds going out from Riya Chakravarti's phone. This is what we've been trying to highlight, of course. We'll go back to our colleagues in Mumbai right now. Now, these 4 calls on the 15th, this is what we want to focus on right now, Swati. 2 on the 14th, the day Sushant died, both in the afternoon. Then on the 15th, 2 in the morning, 2 in the afternoon, and call duration, Swati, increasing considerably.
Absolutely. What were they discussing is something that the agencies will have to find out, and not just the CBI. Mohit Bhatt is also with us. Mohit, the NCB, the Narcotics Bureau is also involved now. Before I come to you with that question, I believe we have a breaking input coming in on the broadcast.